Greetings, I'm Dev the developer.
And I'm Glitch. I'm the one who's going to show you why your math is wrong and how to fix it with a single line of CSS efficiency is beautiful.
The box model says that when you set a width on an element, that width applies to the content area only. Padding and border add on top of that. Today we look at why that happens and a simple pattern that makes it stop. So, let's set the scene. Glitch is building a 2-column layout. Each column should take up exactly half the page, 50% width on both. It sounds logical. It's not logical.
Region Alpha and Region Beta, two containers, perfectly balanced as all things should be. Now for the CSS. 50 plus 50 equals 100. The math is sound. Opening preview. Wait, the second column is wrapping. It's outside the perimeter. I have a bad feeling about this.
The math is sound, but your assumption about the box is from 1996. By default, width only applies to the content. Padding and border are added on top.
So it's 100% plus 88 extra pixels. It's like building an Iron Man suit that fits Tony Stark, but forgetting he needs room for the repulsors. It won't fit.
Exactly. Legacy CSS behaves this way because changing the default would break every old website on the internet. Compatibility is the one ring that binds us to 1996.
So we're stuck in the matrix delusion where width doesn't mean width. Fine, what if I just subtract the difference? Calc function to the rescue. Width calc 50% minus 44 pixels. Manual correction engaged. The columns are finally side by side. Mission accomplished.
Until you change the padding to 30 pixels, then your calc is wrong and your layout breaks silently. That is a maintenance nightmare glitch.
The constant would drift. Life finds a way to break my CSS every time I touch the padding. There has to be a better way.
There is. Box sizing border box. It flips the math so that padding and border are included within the width you set. The box shrinks inward instead of expanding outward.
Shrink mode engaged, so width means total width. No more mental math, no more hidden surprises. I want this globally.
We'll do a global reset. Set it on HTML and inherit it everywhere. This is the professional standard.
Universal Protocol override, root level state change confirmed. All agents now operating under border box directive. Padding is now absorbed into the width. Efficiency 100%.
They are elements, glitch, not agents. But yes, the layout is now rock solid. Change the padding all you want, the columns will always stay 50% wide.
It's beautiful, it's alive, it's alive. No more calc nightmares. My layout is finally font-aware and border safe.
Put this reset at the top of every style sheet you write. It solves the box model headache forever. Don't just watch it, do it.